dear customers, competitiveness is a big challenge in the manufacturing industry all across. Productivity, reliability, and ecosystem of competent partners can actually help you to navigate this challenge. Plaza Swiss Lube is a very special company because there are a lot of interesting things which are getting done in a very unique way which can help customers quite a lot in all these three parameters. I'm looking forward, I'm excited to meet all of you and share some of these findings which actually come from our technology center, and there are interesting work which is happening by colleagues who have a lot of know-how and experience in machining technologies, and the impact which we can create in productivity. And that is why we say it's a liquid tool, a new dimension in productivity. So look forward and see you soon.